AudiReptiles here, and if you're watching this, you're probably thinking about getting a red-eared slider turtle, or some kind of other aquatic turtle. I'm going to take you through the pros, cons, and what you need to know in order to care for one of these amazing creatures. So, number one on the list is diet. Alright, here's Cuff's food. So this is Cuff's food. He gets a mixture of this stuff throughout the week. He gets his calcium and vitamin D powder in with his shrimp. He pelleted turtle food every single day. He gets about 5 pellets a day. D3 and calcium are very important to your turtle's health, and they will not survive without adequate amounts of it. So it's pretty important that you get yourself a powder. And I leave a carrot in his cage because he needs to have more vegetation in his stomach than protein and food pellets and such. We're just going to talk about heating. Their tank needs to be at about somewhere in the 80s for temperature. Now I'm going to talk about the UV light. Turtles specifically do need UV light. Not all reptiles do, but this is why you do your research. Alright, let's talk about their habitat, shall we? If you'll notice, his cage is a little bit over halfway filled with water, and this is a 40-gallon tank. Now, turtles do need a good filtration system. Right here I have a 60-gallon filter for a 40-gallon tank, and this is a little bit over halfway full. So I'd say this is about 23 gallons, and I have a 60-gallon filter, which is good. However, I still do change the water every week, and he's due for a water change already. These guys are reptiles, and they do need a basking spot really badly. Alright, they need a place to completely dry off, or their shells will get soft. Last but not least, turtle substrate. This is a big question, and a lot of people think that, oh, gravel's a good idea. Gravel's a horrible idea, actually, because they will eat the gravel. So that's how to care for your aquatic turtle, specifically red-eared slider, but you can apply a lot of these to other aquatic turtles as well. Just make sure to do all your research on the specific species.